Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a decent pancake. Now a lot of people, they'll end up making a pancake but then they'll have it flaky or breaking up. But you just have to have your fire on medium. You don't have it too high. Then you got to make your batter down. But have enough water in there. The thinner it is, the more it'll rise. So, show you how to make a decent pancake. Someone asked me about 3 weeks ago, how do you make a pancake without it breaking up and flaking? Okay, well here you go. Then make sure the grease is like all over. When it start bubbling, that's when it's almost ready to turn over. You got to make sure it bubbles on the top. Well, let me take this bacon out. Oops, I almost forgot about it. Okay, now it's just about time to turn it over. Make sure it's looking pretty on the other side. You could bubble a little more. It could bubble a little more. And you don't want to keep messing with it. Oh, they put butter. You could spray butter on them. These are the ones I already did. Make sure it butters. Then it's about ready to turn over. Yep, nice and pretty. So you just leave it on the other side for about less than 2 minutes. Then you don't want to smash it. A lot of people have a tendency to smash. You don't want to smash it. Don't never smash it, because then at the bottom it'll be like it'll slide. Some of the cake will end up sliding, or you just smash it and mess it up. You could smash it a little bit, just a touch, but don't smash it all hard. That's how you make a decent pancake. A lot of people, it may seem easy, but a lot of people don't know how to do it. 3 people asked me, how do you make a pancake? Make my pancake for me. And here's how to make it. So like and subscribe to my channel. And whatever you want to learn how to make next, just let me know. Comment down below. All right, take care. Let me take this pancake out. There it is, it's done. Nice pancake. There you go.